Alright, so tonight I'm working on taking my hood cable off because it broke the other day. I don't have the other end of it, but the wire got frayed at the end of this and my handle broke off. So I ordered a new cable, and I'm gonna take the piece where the hood release goes, and I think all this comes with it, and then I gotta feed this through the firewall and unhook the cable from the latch out there. But on this, there's 4 Phillips head screws that I'm gonna need to take out. Almost got it. Alright. That's 2. And then here on the other side, there's 2 more, but I also had to unhook this plug, which wasn't plugged in, so I really don't know what it goes to, but I had to unhook that. I'll take these 2 off. So that's that piece. Yeah, it just broke off at the end of that handle. So up in here somewhere. Now I gotta, shove this through the firewall. And then that rubber piece, I think I'll end up having to taking it out because the new one comes with that. So I gotta open the hood up. Yeah, so we installed this nifty little wire that you can get to from the outside, and you got it pulled open. Yeah. So all I gotta do is slide this up, or pull this out here at first, actually. And it is right here. And there's the end of that. Yeah, it don't look very good either. Alright, cool. Get a little clip here. As you can tell, this wire wasn't the best either. Way it's all freed up. So that's our other end. It wasn't the best either. Probably good thing I'm buying a new one. But yeah, this is just tied around that latch that springs back and forth. But the new one should be here tomorrow, so I'll be able to hook that up. Now I think I just need to pull that rubber boot out of there, and it should be ready to install whenever I get it. Sure. But I ordered it from FirstGen Industries, so not the cheapest thing. It was about 70 bucks and then shipping. But it comes with this piece and everything I need to install it there. Got that out of there. So it ought to be ready to go. Thanks for watching, and hope you like and subscribe.